I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It actually works, guys. Super insane. So if you have any problems, drop them down below in the comments, and I'm going to be sure to get back to you guys and help you fix your issues. So, hey guys, so do you want to get free food at KFC? Well, as you can see, guys, this is my order right here. If we go to the bag, and it's going to be $50. But guys, down here, I'm going to check out. And down here, guys, I can order it for free because I have the developer mode. So as you can see, select payment method, influencer mode. So this is for stupid influencers, but I figured out how to download the app without being an influencer, and I know the website where you can get it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, and my order should be free, guys. So yeah, it worked, bro. That's crazy. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So what you need to do is go to the website tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to type in the name. So let me just type in KFC. Here's the mod, press install. So before it downloads is one more step, guys, the verification. So you just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, guys. Then we're going to be all good to go. So let's see what we're doing, guys. So it's loading up. All right, so let's see. So yeah, it's coming up right now, gang. We up in the hood now. So this is free food on KFC, guys. You can't back down with this opportunity. So as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download 2 of the apps. So like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do this Family Island. You got to reach level 11. It's a game. So just make sure you download 2 of them, and then you'll get the mod, and then you get the free KFC food. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get free food. I'll do videos like this often. I had to share this one, though, because this site is pretty wild. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. This is super cool, guys. I'm going to see you in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, bro. Peace out, gang, gang.